lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Preksha here. I'm back with another hairstyle video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 braided hairstyles for long hair. These hairstyles are perfect for summer, and if you are going for college, office or going anywhere, you can do these hairstyles very easily. These look very cute and beautiful at the same time. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So for these hairstyles, I haven't used any straightener, curler and any heat appliances on my hair, because I just want to do these hairstyle on my natural hair, so everyone can do these. So all you have to do is, for the first hairstyle, do a middle parting and then take a small chunk of your hair and divide that chunk of part into 3 equal parts, and then do a regular braid for the first time, and then second time you have to add a small strand to the side part and just take that side part underneath the middle one. I hope you get it. Now when you don't have any hair to add, then just do a regular braid all the way down and tie it with clear elastic or elastic that matches your hair color. Now follow the same steps on the other side. Just do a Dutch braid till your ear, and then when you don't have any hair to add, and then do a regular braid all the way down and tie it with clear elastic or hair elastic that matches your hair color. And that's it. Now take out some few strands from front of your face to frame your face. I have bangs, so I have taken out them, and now pull your braid and make it look thicker and fuller, and this will make your braid look amazing. Guys, look at these cute braids. I love to do them in regular basis. You can do these in school, college or anywhere you're going, because these look chic and cute, and I love to do when I have oily hair, so this makes my oily hair look much better. Now moving on to hairstyle number 2. Gather all of your hair and make a high ponytail like this, and use a clear elastic or hair elastic that matches your hair color, and divide that ponytail into 3 equal parts and do a regular braid all the way down. You can also make a fishtail braid instead of regular braid, and now pull your braid from each side like this to make it look thicker and fuller, and now tie your braid again and use a clear elastic or hair elastic that matches your hair color, or use a thin hair elastic. Okay, now take out some flakes from front of your face and side of your face to make your face look cuter, and this is the hairstyle. It looks so cute and very easy to do and quick to do. You can do this hairstyle in school, college, office or anywhere. If you are going, you can wear hat with this hairstyle. It will look more cuter. Also, you can do this hairstyle in gym also, if you are doing any physical activity or sports, to manage your hair much better. Now moving on to hairstyle number 3. All you have to do is do a middle parting and take out small chunk of your hair from both the sides like this, and do a regular braid halfway down. You don't have to do all the way down, but a halfway down like this. And now gather all of your hair in one side and just take out these braids and just place it like here, but make sure your braids are visible. And now just gather all of your hair together and tie it with hair elastic that matches your hair color, and make sure you take a very thin hair elastic or clear elastic, and now divide your ponytail into 3 equal parts and do a regular braid all the way down. If you don't like regular braid, you can do a fishtail braid to improvise this hairstyle. And that's it. Take out some flakes or manage your bangs little bit better, and that's it. Your hairstyle is ready. This hairstyle is much better version of normal hairstyle that we do regularly. Now this is it. I hope you find all these hairstyles helpful. You can do this hairstyle easily in summer, and these are perfect for long hair. Now don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon also. Take care. Bye.